Hello, my name is Alak Patel and I have made a Python based object which name is spell corrector. So as from the name you can get it that I have made an application which can correct the spelling in case the user types a wrong spelling or user want to know correct spelling of anything. So I have used two important libraries in my project to achieve the end product of it. First is Tincter and second is TextBlock. So first of all, what is Tincter? So Tincter provides a GUI to users, and it is part of Python, and it is really easy to achieve than another GUI based programs, and another is TextBlob. So TextBlob is a Python library for processing neural textual datas, and it plays a major role in my this code. So moving on, you can see that in the fifth line I have defined clear all function. So what it will do, that it will clear the text field area, two text field areas which I have created in this project. So I have used delete function, so which it will clear all the text which user will type from the zeroth position to the end of whatever user inputs. Then I have I have defined a correction function. So I have fetched the word using dot get function and stored it in input word. Then I have created a text blob object and stored it in blob obj. Then I have used dot correct function, which is a part of text blob, and it gives it provides the user the correct spelling of anything he or she may type in it. If it is wrong, then I have converted it into a string using str and then stored it in corrected word. Then I have inserted that in word2 field using insert function uh, at at zeroth position. Let me say that there is one at zeroth position, and I have inserted the correct word. Now this is the driver's code if name equals main. And moving on, for GUI, I have initialized the Tincter by writing root equals to tk and root equals to tk and function. So this is necessary to for the Tincter, and we have to initialize in the start of it. Then I have used root.configure method, which will set the background of my GUI to light green. Then I will use root.geometry, which will provide dimension, which is 400 into 150, which I kept. And I have used root.title and named it spell corrector, as I mentioned. Then there is head label, and what I have done is use label function. The label function is to specify the container box where we can place the text or image. So it is what the function of label is. And I have used text, which is look for your spelling here, and given color black and red. It is font color FG, and BG is background color. And again same for label one. So I have used again label function, and then I have written input word and given it background color dark green and font color black. Then same for label 2, I have written the text corrected one. Then moving on, there is word field 1 equals to entry and word field 2 equals to entry. So the entry widget is used to provide the uh, single line text box. It is used to provide single line text box to my GUI. Then there is word field one dot grid. Now a grid is used to give dimensions to it, in which grid is a function which gives dimensions to particular word field. So I have given dimension row 1 column 1, and I have given padding x and padding y. Similar for word field dot 2. Then there is button 1. So button function will create a button, and I have written text correction. Background color is red, font color is black, and I have used a command correction which I have fetched from here, which I have created earlier. So if we press that button, whatever wrong spelling we may have typed will turn into correct spelling. Then there is button 1 dot grid, and I have also given dimensions to it, to the button 1, row equals to 2, column equals to 1. Then there is button 2, which has similar button function. I have written text clear and provided background color red, and similarly for font color black. Command I have given clear all, which we have created in the start of our program, clear all function. So it will clear the text area for us. As you can see, I have also uh, given it dimensions, which is row equals to 4 and column equals to 1. And for starting the GUI, root dot main loop, which is a method in the main window that execute until the user until the user waits. So this was all. So now I will run my project. So as you can see, this is implementation of my project. Mm, you can see, look for your whatever I have given text. These are the buttons which I have created, correction and clear all, and given command. So for example, let's type correct only, CORECT. So I have entered wrong spelling, then press correction. So as you can see, CORRECT, correct spelling has came, and this is the clear function of my clear function. And again, as you can see, I have typed uh, let's say clear, CLER. So it has given me clear name. So this is all about my app, which I have created using Tinker and text block and Python. And aim of it, and I was motivated to create this app because of many spelling mistakes which I faced in my daily life. And want the if you want this code, guys, it's in the description below. Always be a learner. Thank you.